Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing Sesame Brittle, also known as Til Chikki, which is a traditional recipe of India made during the festival seasons. It's made from sesame seeds and melted jaggery and requires an art of precision to do every step correctly, quickly and in a timely manner to get the perfect outcome. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. Preparation. Grease a rolling pin and a heat-proof worktop and set aside. Alternate option is to use a grease-proof paper or a parchment paper instead. Method. Dry roast the sesame seeds on medium heat, stirring occasionally until lightly roasted. Then set aside to cool completely for later use during the recipe. Heat ghee in a wok, then drop in the jaggery and cook on medium heat. Make sure you're using the soft jaggery variety, which is meant for chikki. Keep mixing until the jaggery melts, caramelizes and foams up. Now we're going to do a test. So we're going to drop some hot syrup into a bowl of cold water and check if the syrup has hardened, has become crisp and cracks easily. In this particular test, the cooled syrup is soft, so it is not yet ready. So we go back and continue to cook, and after a while check again by dropping some hot syrup into a bowl of cold water. And now this time the cooled syrup is brittle and cracks easily, and thus it has reached the stage we are looking for. Next is to drop in the cardamom powder and the bicarbonate of soda and give it a quick mix. Then add in the roasted sesame seeds and desiccated coconut. And again, give it a quick mix. Next, tip it on to the prepared heat-proof surface and roll out quickly into a 1/4 inch thick square, keeping the edges neat. This is where I mentioned it requires an art of precision to do every step correctly, quickly and in a timely manner to get the perfect outcome. Quickly, while still warm, cut into desired shapes and sizes. This step has to be done quickly while it's still warm and soft. Then set aside to cool completely. So there you have it, some lovely delicious sesame brittle, also known as Til Chikki. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe and comment to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.